Imagine a world where creatures with hundreds of legs roam the earth, their elongated bodies slithering through dark crevices and hidden corners. These fascinating arthropods, known as centipedes, have captivated scientists and nature enthusiasts for centuries. Today, we'll dive into the mysterious world of these many-legged marvels and uncover the secrets that make them truly unique. Centipedes belong to the class Chilopodea within the subphyla. These segmented animals possess hair-covered, elongated bodies, with each segment sporting a pair of legs. The number of legs varies greatly among species, ranging from fewer than 20 to over 300. Interestingly, centipedes always have an odd number of leg pairs, such as 15 or 17, but never an even number like 16. One of their most distinctive features is the pair of venomous pincers located near their mouths, which they use to inject venom into their prey. Most centipede species are carnivorous, making them formidable predators in their ecosystems. The appearance of centipedes is typically dark brown, resulting from a combination of brown and red pigments. However, species inhabiting caves and underground environments often lack pigmentation altogether. In contrast, tropical centipedes can display bright, vibrant colors that serve as warning signals to potential predators. Their size varies considerably, with smaller species in the orders Lithobiomorpha and Geophilomorpha measuring just a few millimeters, while larger species in the order Scolopendromorpha can reach lengths of up to 30 centimeters. Centipedes have adapted to a wide range of environments across the globe, with approximately 8,000 known species worldwide, of which 3,000 have been described. These resilient creatures can be found from the Arctic Circle to tropical rainforests and even in harsh desert landscapes. However, due to their exoskeletons lacking a waxy cuticle to prevent water loss, centipedes require microenvironments with high humidity. They often seek shelter in leaf litter, decaying vegetation, under rocks, or within rotting wood. As some of the largest terrestrial predatory invertebrates, centipedes play a crucial role in the biomass of predators in terrestrial ecosystems. The anatomy of a centipede is a marvel of nature's design. Their round or flat heads feature a pair of antennae at the front, along with a long pair of upper jaws and two pairs of lower jaws. The first pair of legs extends forward from the body, covering the rest of the mouth and ending in sharp, venomous tips used to inject poison into their prey. While many centipede species possess simple eyes on their heads, some have evolved compound eyes. However, their vision is generally limited to distinguishing between light and dark, with some species lacking eyes altogether. One of the most intriguing features of centipedes is their venomous pincers, a characteristic unique to the class Chilopodea. These pincers are actually modified first pairs of legs, located just behind the head. Although not true mouthparts, they serve multiple functions, including capturing prey, injecting venom, and holding onto their quarry. The hollow tube within these pincers acts like a syringe, allowing the centipede to deliver its venom with precision. The body of a centipede is divided into at least 15 segments, with each segment bearing a pair of legs. The first segment houses the venomous mandibles, while the last two segments are typically smaller and legless. Each pair of legs is slightly longer than the one in front of it, ensuring smooth movement without interference. In some species, the final pair of legs can be twice the length of the first pair, serving as sensory organs similar to As predatory animals, centipedes rely on their antennae to detect prey. Their digestive system is a simple tube with digestive glands connected to the mouth. Like insects, they breathe through a tracheal system, with each segment having a pair of spiracles. Excretion is carried out through a pair of Malpighian tubules, similar to other arthropods. The Amazon giant centipede, Scolopendra gigantea, holds the title of the largest living centipede, reaching lengths of up to 30 centimeters. This formidable predator can take down a variety of prey, including lizards, frogs, birds, mice, and even bats in mid-flight. However, in prehistoric times, the centipede genus Euphoberia, which lived during the Permian period, dwarfed its modern relatives with lengths of up to 1 meter. The reproductive process of centipedes is as fascinating as their physical characteristics. Unlike many other animals, centipede fertilization doesn't require direct mating. Males produce spermatophores, which females then collect. Some species engage in elaborate courtship dances, while others simply leave their spermatophores for females to find. In temperate regions, breeding typically occurs in spring and summer, but subtropical and tropical species may reproduce year-round. Interestingly, some centipede species are unisexual, adding another layer of complexity to their reproduction. Female centipedes exhibit varying degrees of maternal care, depending on their order. Those belonging to Lithobiomorpha and Scutogeromorpha simply dig a small hole, lay their eggs, and leave. However, females from the orders Geophilomorpha and Scolopendromorpha show remarkable dedication to their offspring. They lay 15 to 60 eggs in a nest and remain with them, guarding and cleaning the eggs to prevent fungal infections. This care continues even after hatching, with the mother watching over her young for up to a year. In some extreme cases, mothers may even allow their newly hatched offspring to consume them, ensuring their survival in harsh environments. The evolutionary history of centipedes stretches back an impressive 430 million years, with the oldest fossils dating to the late Silurian period. As part of the subphylum Myriapoda, which includes millipedes, symphylids, and pauropods, centipedes were among the first animals to dominate terrestrial environments. They played a crucial role as early ecological predators in the detrital food web, helping to shape the ecosystems we see today. Within the Myriapoda subphylum, centipedes are considered the first class to branch off from the nearest common ancestor. Today, they are classified into 5 orders: Craterostigmata, Geophilomorpha. These orders share several derived characteristics, including the transformation of mouthparts into venomous pincers and the presence of a spiral edge on the sperm nucleus. Recent phylogenetic studies have shed new light on centipede classification, suggesting that the traditional division into Anomorpha and Epimorpha groups may be more accurate than previously thought. The Epimorpha group, consisting of Geophilomorpha and Scolopendromorpha, remains a monophyletic group within Pleurostigmomorpha, while Anomorpha is considered paraphyletic. The order Geophilomorpha provides a fascinating example of evolutionary pressure in action. Species within this order exhibit varying numbers of body segments, ranging from 27 to 191, but always maintaining an odd number. This unique characteristic demonstrates how developmental processes can influence evolutionary traits, resulting in the diverse array of centipede species we see today. As we conclude our journey into the world of centipedes, we're left with a newfound appreciation for these remarkable creatures, from their ancient origins to their complex reproductive behaviors and unique adaptations. Centipedes continue to fascinate and surprise us, whether scurrying through leaf litter or hunting in the canopy of a tropical rainforest. These many-legged marvels remind us of the incredible diversity and resilience of life on Earth.